let's take a flight. We'll sing about birds that are out of sight. From colors so bright to feathers so grand. Come along with me and let's explore this land. Peacocks dance with tails so wide. In a world of color, they take pride. Toucans with beaks so big and bright. Flying through the jungle, what a sight. Flamingos stand on one leg tall. Pink feathers shine, oh, they're a ball. Hummingbirds buzz and hover in the air, so tiny and fast with colors rare. Peacocks dance with tails so wide. In a world of color, they take pride. Toucans with beaks so big and bright. Flying through the jungle, what a sight. Parrots talk and play around. With their feathers they astound. Bright and lively, always in the mood. They'll make you laugh and feel good. Peacocks dance with tails so wide. In a world of color, they take pride. Toucans with beaks so big and bright. Flying through the jungle, what a sight. So let's sing and dance, let's have some fun. With birds so beautiful, we're never done. From peacocks to parrots, let's give a cheer for all the lovely birds that are always near.